Wow, that was really taxing, wasn't it?
I just gotta be confident because
This
the
board
potatoes
is
actually
still
turned
not
out-
clean.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, this is like Groundhog Day over here.
Chef Anne watching me like a hawk, and it's just a bit much. Hot, 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 caliente, caliente.
Your pan is cooking way too fast.
I keep getting yelled at. I'm bad. You're a bad Joelle.
Knife cuts on the potatoes, crazy pants.
Because I was doing it in the order, then the order was out, and I said, baby, I gotta do what I gotta do, and bam, there it is.
Okay, well, this was like number 1.
I know, so if it was the first thing, I would forgot about the first thing.
Slow and steady.
Come on, Avi. Come on, Avi. Come on, Avi.
Avi!
Oh, no, come on, Avi. Grab the whole thing. Oh, my God.
Let's go!
Avi, pick it up.
Just keep going, just keep going.
This is confusing. I get to the cream and I'm like, do I grab each canister? Do I grab one?
All right, great. Whisk.
And I'm shaking it, twerking, letting know, baby, I whisk it up.
Avi! Let's go!
The best part of this is watching Anne. Anne is going to flip a table.
Oh my God, I didn't.
Does Avi need a coffee? I don't get it.
4, 5. This is my kind of pace.
Okay.
Finally, I can relax for
This one.
a second.
Avi, can you please pick up the pace? I'm not gonna beg you anymore. You are not gonna finish if you don't get that chicken in the pan right now.
Yes, Chef Anne.
You cannot push him to go any faster. Come on, you guys, let's go!
Are we done?
We're done, we're done, we're done.
Guys, let's go! Are we done? Moving on. Let's go. Moving on. Let's go.
Wheel it in, wheel it in.
Come on, you guys, go! 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 Get it at the table right now. Come on, dude. Just come on. What are you doing? Frankie, why did you just throw those tomatoes away?
I apologize. Unfortunately, Chef Anne sees me doing that. It was a mistake. And she yells at me.
Just cut the tomatoes. I just told you that.
I'm sorry.
Take those out of here. Thank you for coming. Cut them and get them in your damn pan.
And I'm like, can I even take them out and put them in like this garbage like can? Is that even sanitary? It was a very traumatic experience.
Fiona, do the recipe to cook the shrimp. Cut it in half right through the middle.
Go ahead, cut it. You got this, Leona.
Fiona!
It's like my mother. Leona!
Just put it in the water. Just put it in there. Oh my God. Have you cut your fish already?
No,
Why are you doing pesto now then?
because my nuts are almost ready, so I would like to get it out of the way.
Oh, so you're just going your own way?
I'm going rogue. I'm going off the map. These are uncharted territories.
Okay. I mean, we are in boot camp for the worst cooks in America. You're here for a reason, my friend. You just decided to like sort of go your own way today.
Because of my familiarity with the fish, I decided to work on the pesto first because I've never made a pesto.
All right, well, your fish is under-seasoned, your caponata is under-seasoned, the pesto measurements are incorrect, garlic did not go in. There's like no salt in it.
This is me, stressed.
Lots of moving parts on this one.
Not really. A little bit heavy on the salt, but nice job.
A win is a win.
Who said you won?
Awkward.
Okay. Do you have a deal with like the olive oil people? I saw a lot of salt going on this. I'm sorry.
It's salty.
Yeah, that's getting nice.
Come on,
Leona,
come on,
turn
it's
it.
done, it's done, it's done. Leona, take it out, take it out. It's gonna burn, burn. Leona, come on, turn it over at least. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. I have no idea when to tell if it's done.
This machine kicking my
All right.
Here come Miss Anne, laughing at me. I had it on.
All right.
But she saved me. My girl always saved me.